So we got the Dewalt light, 20-volt light, using a Dewalt knife to open the Dewalt light. Let's see what we can do one-handed here. Here's the part number. Let's pop it open. So, I got this because the only place that I've ever seen using these are Amish in their barns, and I thought they were cool. So, it's got this little hook on it. I don't know how to get it to work. It's got a couple oscillating stuff. I think this releases. So you just pull it kind of hard. Let's turn it on. Oh, that's very bright. Look at that. That'll be very handy. I think it was like 60 some bucks. And it already fits with the batteries I already got. I really like Dewalt. So I think we got a win. Hopefully you found the value out of this. I'm happy with it.